White. Massive. Unstoppable. A luxury beast that doesn't whisper, it roars with authority. This is power. This is presence. This is pure domination on wheels. Intro. Meet the 2026 Cadillac Escalade in white. Bold. Savage. Absolutely dominating the road. This isn't just an SUV. It's an American icon reborn with futuristic aggression and elite luxury energy. Front. Up front, it's pure intimidation. A massive chrome grille that screams authority. Sharp LED headlights slicing through darkness like a weapon. Every angle feels aggressive. Every detail feels intentional. This front doesn't ask for attention, it demands it. A true luxury beast with a savage face. Side. From the side, it stretches like a king. Long, bold. Dominating every inch of the road. Sharp body lines flow like power and motion. Massive wheels add that unstoppable stance. Even standing still, it looks fast. Even cruising, it feels untouchable. Rear. From the rear. It doesn't follow trends, it creates them. Vertical LED tail lights glow like red blades in the night. Wide stance. Heavy presence. Pure confidence. Every car behind it knows one thing: this is the boss. No competition. No compromise. Just dominance. Interior. Step inside and everything changes. Pure luxury hits instantly. Soft leather. Perfect stitching. A massive curved digital display wrapping around like the future. Ambient lighting creates a cinematic vibe. Silence. Comfort. Control. This is not just driving, this is commanding your world. Every seat feels first class. Every moment feels elite. Technology meets luxury in its most insane form. Engine. Under the hood, pure American muscle. A powerful V8 engine ready to explode with energy. Acceleration hits hard. Deep. Aggressive. The sound alone gives goosebumps. Highway cruising feels effortless. City driving feels dominant. This machine isn't built to move, it's built to conquer. Raw power. Smooth delivery. Ultimate control. Price. Expected price lands around $85,000 to $110,000. And every dollar screams luxury and power. You're not just paying for an SUV. You're investing in presence. Status. Authority. This is premium. This is elite. This is worth it. Height. Big. Bold. Brutal. Luxury meets beast mode. Savage design. Dominating power. Insane presence on every road. No limits. No fear. No competition. This is not normal. This is ultimate. Escalade is back, and it's unstoppable. CTA. Drop your thoughts below. Smash that like button. Subscribe for more savage car content that hits different. Outro. This is not just a drive. This is a statement. 2026 Cadillac Escalade, the ultimate king of the road.